You give the countdown, we'll start.
5, 4, 3, 2. Hello. 5, 4, 3, T, 2, 1. Go to go.
Yeah, thank you and good afternoon. A very warm welcome to all AI enthusiastic in this warm and hot environment of summer all over India. And you are now taking up a hot topic of our profession, that is AI. And this is the orientation batch for all the future batches of level 1 which is going to come. We welcome you all to this AI in ICI level 1, and we have today with us our past president, under whose leadership last year we have done wonders in ICI as well as in AI in ICI. Now his leadership is there as a chairman of this AI in ICI committee. So we will listen to Sir's words of wisdom and words of orientation in this orientation batch online. So I will request Nanda sir for his words of wisdom. Over to you, Nanda sir. Sir, we also have our faculty, Prabhav Agarwala, who is also giving the orientation to all of you. So get ready for it. And before Prabhav Agarwala start, I will request our chairman Nanda sir for his words of wisdom. Over to you, Nanda sir.
Thank you, Umesh Bhai. So, the Honorable Vice Chairman of the committee, the charming, young, smart, dynamic Shri Umesh Sharma ji, the faculty of the day, again a very accomplished faculty, Shri Prabhav Kumar ji, and more importantly, members who have come here to participate in this hackathon. I would like to start with a simple quote which says, difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. जितना दुश्वार रास्ता उतनी बेहतरीन मंजिल. In your life, you want to accomplish everything, have everything, but the spirit of driving it is normally not present. So, what I want to say very candidly is that our thought process becomes very steadfast once we are able to go ahead and create value and worth by our thought process to add value to ourselves, to re engineer ourselves so that we are able to effectively create something new for ourselves. AI has brought this to us. Artificial intelligence has changed the way the entire world looks upon us and how we look to ourselves. Apart from that, we serve our clients, stakeholders, but very importantly, we are there to serve our members, government regulators. So once we start that, you will find that there is a great impetus, a great drive in your movement. Topics like hackathon will put you at a palace where you start understanding how things can be put in the right perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to put 2, 3 points to you. The most important point here is to bring to you a great parlance whereby you are able to add value to whatever you intend to do. That is very important. To say goodbye to monotonous work, to ensure that we are able to work with clarity. And let me say, today is not the beginning of this course. It is ultimately the end of your exercise which you intend to take forward. Ladies and gentlemen, the basic purpose of today's both joint program is to create value so that we understand how a second step can be useful to us, not only for our transformation, but how you think, how you work, and how you lead as professionals. You are aware that across the world, the accounting profession is at an inflection point. The shift is no longer gradual, it is structural. Very importantly, And we are moving from a world of periodic reporting to one of continuous intelligence, from static data to dynamic insights, and from human only effort to human plus machine capability. We now want to have something to add value. कहते हैं ना कि सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलने की जिद भी जरूरी है मंजिल पाने के लिए. Artificial intelligence is not only a support function anymore, it is becoming a core layer of professional capability. And in this emerging landscape, the chartered accountant is evolving into something far more powerful, a trusted advisor who is digitally enabled, insight driven, and future focused. The ability to interpret information will no longer be enough. The ability to understand patterns will be essential. And I would like to put across at a concluding note that our vision, the vision that ensures that technology has to be used with integrity, responsibility, and sound professional judgment has to be used. And therefore, let me conclude simply with one thought which says the future will not belong to those who simply adapt to change, but to those who are prepared to lead the change. मंजिल नहीं सफर है चलते रहो. That movement is important, and I'm speaking to one of the most empowered professionals, chartered accountants who were set up an act of parliament way back on 1st July 1949 when the constitution to this great country was not promulgated. Ladies and gentlemen, my compliments and congratulations to you for having a vision of incorporating technology in your life. Thanks. Let us move ahead with the program. Let us move ahead with the course so that we are able to effectively add value. Thanks, Umejji. Thank Prabhavji and thank Office for getting involved in seeing that this program is done at the highest level. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nanda sir, and your words of wisdom with the Keshri jacket and pagdi is
No, in fact, I'm in a marriage, but this program
okay.
was important, so I thought, in
Yeah,
spite of
yeah.
the marriage, I will like to speak to my fellow chartered
So,
accountants.
yes, thank you, sir. And this shows your commitment and this shows your love and affection to our membership.
Always there, sir. And I would
Yes,
like to
sir.
add that if any feedback is there, you can feel
Yeah.
free to give a call to me, write to me, send a message, a WhatsApp to me. My mobile number is 9811 The number has been given by Rishi ji, very kind enough. You can note that. Anything you need, myself and Umesh ji. In fact, Umesh ji is the man who has framed all this. I'm just asked to lead it. The work has been done by Umesh in a very fine manner. And today, in spite of his being the chairman of the GST committee, his heart throbs for his heart, cries for AI industry. Committee is always deeply involved, that which makes the committee take newer heights. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Your words of wisdom are like fatherly words to us. Thank you. We will lead forward with you, sir. And thanks for your time. Now,
Thank you.
I
Thank
will,
you.
I will urge, I will request, and I will request and put a note that please registered for this one of the greatest event that is happening on 26th and 27th of June. So tech team, please play the video of AI Innovation Summit where our every participant should register. You are on level 1, but come and see what's happening at AI Innovation Summit at national and international level. Over to you, Rishi. Please play the video. So, dear all, please get registered. Early bird closes on 22nd of May. So, I will request you all participants to join the AI Summit. And friends, all the best for learning in AI. It's a level 1 orientation course. Be attentive, be ready for your experience in AI, and also view every Saturday a 2 days webinar which is organized by AI in ICAI committee. So you must see that 2 days, 2 hours refresher courses after you finish this level 1. So knowledge of AI needs to be taken to the next level with your practical training also. So AI in ICI committee website is there. I am sure that Prabha Agarwala will take through all the details of AI in ICI website and all the AI initiatives, so our members get known in this AI field what we are doing. So welcome you all. Stay connected, stay ahead. Thank you, Nanda sir. Thank you, tech team, and thank you, Prabha.
Thank
Over
you.
to you.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much to our visionary leaders, Chairman Umesh Sharma sir, Chairman Nanda sir, and Umesh Sharma sir, Vice Chairman. Thank you very much. Yes. So without further delay, I hope my voice is audible. And Rishi sir, if you could approve my request of sharing the screen also.
Just a moment. Uh,
Okay. Echo in sound. If others can also confirm if there is any echo in the sound. Suyash sir is saying there is an echo. Okay, no. Voice is audible. Great, great, great. All right. All right. No echo, no echo, nothing. Okay. Suyash sir, I think it's a issue from your end. Please take a note.
tech
Great, great.
team, tech team, Sanket, can you make Prabhav sir the co-host?
Great. No echo. Okay. Great, great, great. All right. So I have received a confirmation from all the members. Thank you very much. And I have received a lot of questions on AIS also. Don't worry, ma'am, sir. I will answer all the questions relating to AIS, relating to whatever is there during the course of the orientation. Like it will take me around 40-45 minutes to go through all the prerequisites that is required before you start the AICA level 1 course, right? Uh, Mukesh sir, I think all the other members are confirmed. There is no voice echo from their end. I think a couple of members did see a little, they did get a little voice echo. So please confirm it at your end. Even now, Gaurav sir confirm. Yes, no echo. Okay. All right. Rishi sir,
Yeah, one moment, Prabhav sir, just one moment.
yes, yes, yes. Okay. So still just a few minutes before I am allowed to share my screen so that we can start requesting all to be there, and I will answer all your question regarding the AIS as well and regarding all the things. So please sit back, enjoy and relax, and first listen to me for the next 45 minutes, and then I will be open to questions. Whatever question you will have, I will take it all one by one, right? And trust me, I will be the last person to leave the orientation session. After I have answered all your queries, I will be leaving the session.
Yes, sir, Prabhav sir, you're now co-host.
All right. So now I believe my voice is also audible, and if you can call, confirm. Can you see my screen? Yes. Can you see a banner of AI committee brings AI in ICAI level 1? Great. So I've received a yes on from a lot of people. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all members. Now. Yes. So a couple of members have raised their hands. So as I requested, sir, ma'am, I will take all the queries at the end. So for the next 40-45 minutes, please lower your hand. Please sit back, relax, and patiently listen to all the discussion that we are doing. A lot of the queries will be resolved by the moment we finish the discussion. And even if there is any discussion left, I would be more than happy to take all the queries at the end. So all the members who have raised their hands also, I would request them to please lower their hand. I am lowering the hand, right? We will take all the queries later on. Don't worry, I will not leave a single query unanswered. Correct? All right. So let's start with the orientation session. So the first topic that we are going to cover is what is our objective behind AICA level 1. Now, you see, I always say this point that every person who is associated with the mainstream economy, anybody who is there in the mainstream economy will be some way or the others either have heard about chat GPT or the related AI technology, or they would have used this technology. आज हर आदमी चैट जीपीटी लगभग सभी लोग चला रहे हैं, everybody is working on chat gpt, but what is the difference that you will see when you do this course versus what is the difference between a layman using a chat gpt? There are a lot of fundamental concepts. Say for example, prompt engineering. How do you write a good prompt? What is a globally accepted standard for writing a good prompt? We are all going to discuss that in this course. What is the legal implication that you may face when you are using AI with respect to data privacy, client confidentiality? We will give you solution for that. You know that there is DPDP Act coming in from the next year, which is having a penalty of up to 250 crore if you are violating the terms of privacy. So we are all going to cover all these things in depth, that how you should avoid legal consequences. We will be covering the concept of AI hallucination. So after you do this course, it's a 360-degree package. Siddharth sir, DPDP Act, Digital Personal Data Protection Act. So we will be covering about all these things inside the course, so that when you do and complete this course at the end of day 3, you are not only aware of how to use chat gpt, but you know all the nitty gritties of using the chat gpt, including the legal implication that it may have, and you are well versed with all the concepts in the world of generative AI. So this is the objective of AICA level 1, to empower the professionals with an understanding of the AI concepts in a way which makes them stand apart from the normal regular cloud, which is just using ChatGPT in a normal manner. Correct? Now, when we do this course, there are certain prerequisites which you need to follow. Firstly, you all need to log in and check your DLH portal 48 hours before the start of AICA level 1 course. Please note, if your batch is starting, suppose your batch starts from 10th, 11th, 12th, your batch is on 10th, 11th, 12th May. So on 8th, on or after 8th May, you have to log into the DLH portal. I am sharing the link and I am showing you how you can access your DLH portal. So here I am sending the link on the chat box. Both the so sir, if your batch is starting from tomorrow, then you should check it immediately after the orientation session. You should check it immediately after the orientation session whether your DLH portal is working or not. Right? So Manoj sir, if your dates are 13th, 14th, 15th of May, then you check by 11th of May whether your DLH portal is activated or not. Right? So if your DLH portal is activated or not, just click on the link which I have shared in the chat. So I am going to go to that link. This is your DLH portal link. So you simply have to go there. You have to click on login and you have to enter your credential to log in into the DLH portal. Once you log into the DLH portal, you will have a my product section to your left, right? So don't worry, after we finish this orientation, you will be given the recording of this orientation session so that you can follow this instruction later on when you are checking whether your DLH portal is activated or not. So you go to this my products here, and when you see this my products, you will see, you will have the modules, the batch number written. Say for example, I enrolled myself in batch number 13, which was held in Guwahati. So you will have this batch number and course detail written here, and simply by clicking on launch button, you will be able to access the DLH portal. Right? Why is it important to access the DLH portal? Number one, you will be given all the pre-read material, your PPT and all will be uploaded on the DLH portal. Number two, we have to give a test, which I am going to talk about coming in the coming slides. So you have to give your test also from the DLH portal, right? Ankit sir, it is not a recorded class. I am sitting live in front of you looking at all your chat, right? Sir, I have shared the link. I have shared the link in the chat. I have shared the link in the chat. I will rather perhaps pin it I can see if I can pin this. No, I am not able to pin it. Okay, no problems. I will share it again. No worries, I'll share it again. So I am sharing it once again. Please kindly take a note of the link. Yes, you will all get the access of the DLH portal. So I am sharing the link once again in the chat. Yes, I am sharing the link again in the chat. Okay, so I have shared it again in the chat. Okay, I have shared it again in the chat right now. There are two ways. Okay, don't worry if you are not able to see the link also, don't worry, don't worry. In did not get the link. Can you share it on the WhatsApp group? Arun sir, actually the problem is we are having 40 to 50 WhatsApp group right now currently. I am not added to all of them, right? So yes, can you share it on the WhatsApp group? Okay. So one thing I can do, I'll just do one thing. I will write it down here in the Word file. You kindly take a screenshot and you search it on the Google, you will get the link, right? So I am sharing the link of both the DLH portal chat. Please take a screenshot. Yeah, please take a screenshot of the same, right? So you can simply search on internet learning.ici.org or eservices.ici.org, right? So when you go to the second link eservices.ici.org, so I'll show you that as well, how to go to that. So I'm going to go to e-services. So I will enter my login ID password. I will enter my login ID password and I will be signing into my SSP portal. The second portal I believe everybody would have used. It is the SSP portal. When you log into the SSP portal, over the top you have ICAI Digital Learning Hub option. When you click on that, you will be taken to the DLH hub, where again you have to go to this my product section and you will be seeing your batch flashing up. Say for example, I have enrolled myself in batch number 13. So I will have my batch number and the name of the course written here. There will be a launch button. I have to click that and I will get access on my, you know, the DLH portal. So I have seen that lot of messages coming. Please share the link. Please share the link. I have already shared the link in the chat. If you are not being able to access this, don't worry. I am sharing the screen here. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot and save it. You can simply search on Google Learning ICI or it is your normal SSP portal, right? When you have to check it 48 hours before the start of your batch. So do not check it now if your batch is on 11th of May. If your batch is on 11th of May, check it after 9th of May. Okay. And if your DLH portal is not activated, if your DLH portal is not activated, okay. So now I will share it again. Okay. I will share it again once. I will share it again once. Okay. Once again, I will share it. Please, 1 minute. I will share it once again. I will share both the links once again. Now, please let me know if you have received it. Please let me know now we have received it. Yes. Okay. So I will share it and I will request you all to check now. Now you will get it now received. Okay. Great. So now I have shared both the links. Yes. 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 Now visible. Okay. So I have shared it. Great. 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 So I have shared it again. All right. Sorry, Shweta ma'am, yes, you will get the PPT also in the DLH portal. Inside the DLH portal, you will be able to get it. If you are not able to access the DLH portal, please note 48 hours before the start of the batch. Only then mail the concern that okay, I'm not able to upload, I'm not able to access the DLH portal. Then only please send a mail to ai@ici.in. Please understand one request, a humble request to all the members. The AI in ICI committee is conducting close to around 50 to 60 batches in 1 month, right? So that means they are attending to roughly around 2,500 members at a point in time in a single month. And let me tell you, the efforts that AI in ICI committee is taking to reply to the mail is tremendous. They are replying to all the email. I think after Dettol, if we have an accuracy of 99.99%, it is with the replying of the AI in ICI committee, the email of the AI in ICI committee. But one humble request to all the member, if you unnecessarily mail them without checking it from your end, or your batch is on 11, But now only you are mailing that please check my DLH is not activated. Please, please, please do not do it. The orientation is held for this purpose only, so that a lot of the queries that we are getting gets resolved at a base level only, so that members are not feeling tensed, and also committee is able to respond to the normal genuine queries in a much better manner, right? So this is first request. Please check it from your end. See, the AI in ICAI committee, I'll tell you, it is automated all the processes. A lot of the processes inside the AI in ICAI committee have been automated. So automatically the dates are fixed. Automatically, 48 hours before the DLH portal starts. So 99% chances are there that your DLH portal will get automatically updated. If not, only then mail to AI@ICAI committee. Okay. Now I will move to the next line. Please note, for the session, we are recommending a minimum laptop configuration of Windows 11 with 8 GB RAM and a i3 processor. Now some of the members are asking, sir, we do not have a 8 GB RAM or we do not have a Windows 11 PC. What to do? Can we get a Windows 10 PC? The answer is yes. You may get a lower configuration PC. There will be no issue. But the only thing is, while doing some of the activity, your system may hang up or may perform a little or be a little slow as compared to other members, right? This is the only difference you will feel. If you get the older version PC with a lesser RAM, you may face some issues in terms of operating that particular laptop. So that is the minimum requirement that we are insisting. Second important thing, what we are requesting is, if you are having or if you are getting a corporate laptop, that is the laptop you are using in your offices, please ensure that your laptop is allowing connections to the Wi-Fi and you are able to access the third party websites. A lot of cases we have seen that members who are in industry, they get their corporate laptops, but they are still not able to log in to the third party tool like Chat GPT, Claude or like that, because the IT team has blocked the access. So what happens as a result? They are not able to do the practical during the day. Sir, are member required to bring their own laptop? Yes, the very first line itself clearly states participants are required to bring their own laptop. And with a minimum configuration of Windows 11, 8 GB RAM and i3 processor. Third question which we always get is, what about MacBook devices? So here we have seen Windows 10 or MacBook devices are allowed only if there is no alternative. Why we are not encouraging MacBook devices? I'll tell you. Because a lot of the tools that we are doing in the session, there is a separate procedure to operate it in Mac, separate procedure to operate it in Windows. As a faculty, it is not possible for me to give separate instruction for MacBook and a separate instruction for Windows, because it will take double the time. That is the reason why, since 90% of the audience, they generally get Windows laptop, we have agreed, or we rather emphasize that you please get a MacBook device. Otherwise, you may face some issues, because we are only giving instructions as per Windows laptop. Yes, if you are okay, no worries, I know all the shortcuts, I can do a Chat GPT and find out the shortcuts and relevant technique of how to use it in Mac. You may get Mac, not an issue, but it is highly recommended that if you can get a Windows laptop with a minimum 8 GB RAM and i3 processor rather than a MacBook. Some questions I am seeing inside chat asking about iPad, asking about tablets. The answer is a big no. No iPad, no tablet, because they are not able to run it in a way that we want, or we want it to run, because we have a lot of data that we are sharing, a lot of files that we are sharing. We will be doing vibe coding during the sessions. So then iPad and tablets, they do not, you will not feel that efficiency when you do it with iPad and tablets. So please get a Windows laptop. It's highly recommended, right? So next thing, It's a 3-day course and you need to fulfill 3 requirements in order to get the certification. Firstly, after each day, you have to give a test. Right? You have to give a test at the end of each day. Please note, the test will be activated from 5 p.m. and it will be available till 10 p.m. Sir, ma'am, I always sincerely recommend that once you have completed your session, please give your test immediately and only then proceed for your homes. Why I say this? Because in case you forget to give the test, then you have to follow a whole list of procedure to give the test again, and your certification is also delayed by about a month. I always say, we already have a lot of problems in our life. बहुत परेशानी, बहुत समस्याएं ऑलरेडी जीवन में है. Why to take additional problems? क्यों और परेशानी आपको मोल लेनी है? Please ensure every day when you finish your session, after completing the session, you go and you take the test and only then proceed for your home. Sir, where will I get the test? You will get it in the DLH portal, the link of which I shared just a few minutes ago. Second thing that you have to do, at the end of 3rd day, you have to give a group project. So you will be given the groups on the first day when you will be signing your attendance sheet. On the second last column, there will be a group that will be given to you, G1, G2, G3. Please see your respective group. Do network with your fellow group members and prepare a group project. So more details about the group project will be shared by the concerned faculty. Whosoever comes on day 1, please ask that faculty to share a little more detail about the group project. So that faculty will be able to guide you on the group project. Right? So you will be given 5 minutes. One group will present one project. So more details will be given by the faculty who will come on day 1. Right? So I told you 3-day course, 3 requirement you have to fulfill. Number 1, you have to give test on all the 3 days. Number 2, on day 3, you have to prepare and submit a project. And the third important requirement is you have to physically attend the session on all the 3 days. Right? So these are 3 important requirements to get the certification. Now some more FAQs which come in. Sir, what if we miss any session? Now, please note, what if we are not able to do? This is the most frequently asked question. 9 out of 10 questions asked by members is this. Sir, I have registered for batch number 705. But due to some personal medical reason, I will not be able to attend the batch. What is the procedure to get the refund? Please note, the entire process of attendance system has been automated. Please note once again, if you do not attend the session on all the 3 days, I repeat, if you do not attend the session on all the 3 days, automatically you will get a refund on your source account without sending any email, without making any phone call. बिल्कुल भी परेशान आपने नहीं होना है, सारा प्रोसेस ऑटोमेटेड है. Do not take any botheration, entire process is automated. Do not call anybody, do not send any email, just sit back, relax, automatically refund will be credited to your source account. If you have not attended the session on all the 3 days. Question number 2 which comes in. Sir, I am able to attend first 2 days, but I am not able to attend day 3. I am able to attend day 1, but I am not able to attend day 2, but I will be able to attend day 3. Sir, what to do in this case? We strongly insist not to do such things because, see, what happens is, number 1, if you do like this, day 1 you have attended, day 2 you have not attended, and day 3 again you are attending, or you are missing out on any day, you will break the entire flow. You will not be able to understand the concept. Suppose you do day 1, you miss day 2, and you come to day 3. you will not be able to grab a lot of things in day 3. So I humbly request, do not go for half holy measures. आधा आधा मत करिए, या तो पूरा करिए या पूरा मत करिए. Do entire 3 days or do not do entire 3 days. You will get the refund. Do not select a midway path. Right? So please take a note. Choose either of the two options. Either do all the 3 days or be absent from all the 3 days. Do not do a half holy measure. Okay. Next question that we get. Sir, by mistake, I was not able to attend or give the test. I went to home after the session. I was thinking घर जाके आराम से दूंगा, लेकिन आराम से देने के चक्कर में I'd forget. I was planning that I will go home and I will relax, take a shower and then give the test. When I reach home, I forget about the test. What will happen then? Please note, in such cases, you will be automatically added to a special batch which will be starting on next 4th of June for next month. That is from 4th of June to 10th of June, a special batch will be created and you will be added to that batch. Wherein on 4th of June and 10th of June, between 4th of June and 10th of June, you have to log into your DLH portal and give your pending assessments. Right? Please, you can note the dates for your batches in May month. The special batch will be created on from 4th of June to 10th of June. And I'm happy if you have not noted the batch. This means that you are very serious and you will give the test on the respective scheduled date. क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बोला, अगर if you miss out on the test, you have to again give it on June month. Again, your certification will be delayed by approximately 1 month. Why to take additional harassment? Why to take additional tension? Immediately after completing your session, please make sure to go to your home only after you have given your test. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes extra. That's it. Okay. So this is the next point you will see. Third important thing. All the branches have been instructed by the AI committee that you have to provide a Wi-Fi connection to the member when they come for the course. But many a times we see that the branch has gone for an Airtel connection and there is some, problem in Airtel, bandwidth issue in Airtel, and Airtel server is down. Sometimes we see these problems in batches. So we say that please alternately have a hotspot ready. I know it's not even a point to mention, but still we do mention it in orientation because this is something which is beyond the control. The branch has set up a Airtel Wi-Fi, but due to some reason Airtel is down on that particular day. So please have a backup in form of Wi-Fi hotspot which you can connect to your laptop, right? So please keep this also handy. Next, please mark this very, very important. Infinitely important. Infinitely important. Please create at least 2 to 3 IDs, preferably 3 email IDs for the purpose of learning AI. I can create AI learning for Prabhav 001, AI learning for Prabhav 002, AI learning for Prabhav 003. Why I say to create 2-3 spare email IDs? Because from 25th of March 2026, I'll repeat the date, 25th of March 2026, all the tools, all the AI tools, be it Chat GPT, Perplexity, Comet, the Claude, all the AI tools, they have significantly reduced the free token limit. That means now, earlier what we used to do, we only used to do Chat GPT, and Chat GPT used to run for the entire day. But now, when we do one task in Chat GPT, token will get exhausted. So therefore, we sincerely request all the members to get 2 to 3 spare email ID so that once your token is exhausted in one particular ID, we will switch the ID and we will do the second task in a second ID. Otherwise, what will happen? Either you have to pay for the subscription, which will cost you around 2000 rupees. Of course, it is very good if you are using a paid version. But if you are not using, or if you do not want to pay for the paid version, then entire session you will be sitting idle. Why? Because you only have one ID and all the tokens have exhausted in maybe say 4 or 5 exercises, and next you are not able to use this and you are only watching other people do the exercise. So better please create 2 to 3 spare email IDs which you are only going to use for the purpose of learning and which you will be using during the session. First part. Second part, please log in into the following tools. These 5 tools we are showing: Chat GPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, Gemini. At least with one ID, log in with all these portals. Why? Because during the session we do not want to waste our time in waiting for all the member to log in onto these tools. क्या होता है, एक बैच के अंदर 40-50 मेंबर्स हैं और हमें वेट अगर करना पड़ जाए, इफ यू हैव टू वेट फॉर ऑल दी मेंबर टू लॉग इन, इट वेस्ट्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. So therefore in the orientation only we request, please log in into all the 5 tools with at least one of the ID and then come for the session. It saves a lot of time. Okay, next, this is a list of tools that we are going to cover. You will be given this in your feedback forms. Please mark them seriously. What tools we will be covering on day 1, what are the tool we will be covering on day 2, what are the tool we will be covering on day 3. So every day you will be given a feedback form. Please fill that feedback form very wisely, because you will get a list of topics, whether these topics were covered or not. So suppose in case a faculty misses out some topic because of any issue, maybe time issue or internet connectivity or any issue, then AI committee will plan a refresher course on that particular topic. I will talk more about that refresher course. So please make sure you fill the feedback form. If any topic is left out, you make sure you mark that in the feedback form, right? Of course, earlier there were a lot of providers who were giving free services, but since the last month, all these plans have been stopped. Earlier, Perplexity was giving a free plan to Airtel was giving a free plan of Perplexity to all the Airtel user. They have stopped it. Chat GPT was giving the Go model 399 free till November 2026. They have stopped it. Geo was giving Gemini free for 18 months, but now you have to register. There is a waiting list. If it gets approved, only then you will be given the paid subscription for 18 months. So of course, Gemini currently you have to go for a waiting list. You can download the MyGeo app and you can apply for this. If you are a lucky one, you will get access of Gemini free for 18 months, right? So you have to take care of this as well. Now this is the step how to activate it. You go to the MyGeo app. As soon as you go to the MyGeo app, you will see a big banner, get Gemini free for 18 months. Click on that, give the detail. You will be asked to go through the waiting period. If your luck is good, you will get a subscription free for 18 months. Earlier they were giving it to everyone. I also have taken it, but now they have restricted it. They are now giving on a waitlist basis. I told you, now all the AI tools have now reduced their free quota of the prompt. So that is the reason why we are asking you. It is highly recommended if you get a paid tool, very good. But if not, please at least create 2 to 3 email IDs so that you do not face any issue while you are doing hands-on during the session. All right. So these Perplexity Pro and Chat GPT, they have now become obsolete. They are not giving now currently these plans. So this is a recap of whatever I have done or whatever I have spoken till now. Immediately after the orientation session, before 48 hours before the batch, check your DLH portal. If your DLH portal is not activated, mail to ai@icai.in. Before your batch, please plan your day so that you can completely focus on learning and you do not stay bothered on a lot of work. So plan your day in a way so that you can peacefully learn whatever is being taught in the session. Create 2 to 3 ID, preferably a Gmail ID. Log in into these 5 tools: Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity and Grok. Activate the free subscription if possible. During the batch, please come little early, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes early than the scheduled time. Set up the Wi-Fi. Give the daily assessment test on a daily basis during the batch. Prepare for the group project and of course, submit the feedback form. There will be 4 feedback form, 3 for the respective day, just to check whether all the things were covered as per the course or not. If not covered, please make sure you write it in the feedback form so that AI committee can plan a session going forward to cover that specific topic. And one feedback you have to give overall for the AICA course, what we can improve in this course. Please note, all the feedback is taken very seriously by the AI committee. Please be judicious. Please take a minute out and fill your feedback forms nicely. After the batch, this is one of the most prominent question which is asked to me. Sir, what after the batch? AI is a dynamic field. It keeps on changing every day. So what after the batch? So I'm going to come to that. But before that, one question which we are asked regularly, sir, after the orientation, if I have any doubt, how do I see it? Or who will answer my question? So as I told you, AI committee is a very pioneer in using the AI technology themselves. So when you go to the AI committee website from where you have registered for level 1, this level 1 batch curriculum where you have registered, so you will see that at the top you are having a AICA assistant. You are having a AICA course assistant. Whatever you have, whatever query you have, you can ask it. What are the course timing? Can you show me the module structure? What are the guidelines that I need to follow? Any question you have, you can ask it from the GPT. It's available 24/7, 365 to reply to the query. I see messages in the WhatsApp group. What is the course timing? So I can come here and ask it. Everything, you have a 24/7, 365. Why ask in the WhatsApp group? Ask to the AI assistant. So here you can see it's a 3-day course. The daily session timing are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Daily assessments are conducted between these timings. So all things, it's not 4 p.m., it's 5 p.m. The timings have changed off lately. So it's 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Right? So everything is being updated here in this AICA course assistant. Whatever I have said, all the information you can ask in the GPT, it will give you a reply. Sir, but still, I want the entire PPT that you have said, I want that. How do I get that? So when you come to the AI committee website, you have this AICA course. If you click here, whatever I have spoken here will be available in this written format. Whatever I have shared it in the PPT will be available in the PDF material in this website itself. Right? So PDF already you can instantly access it, the PPT, through by visiting the AI committee website in this AI course tab. Your group presentation template, the PPT format in which you have to give the template, is also available in this website. Sir, can you share the link of this website? Sure. I am sharing the link of this website. Okay. So you can visit this website. A very important question which is asked to us is, sir, what after the AI journey? After we have completed AICA level 1, what next? How do we stay updated in the field of AI? Because see, every day AI is changing dynamically. The AI in ICAI committee also has revised their course 14 times. Every month they are revising the course. Every month they are adding new content, deleting the old one which is getting outdated. So you see, it is very important that you also stay updated after the 3-day course is over. So we have a complete website which will help you keep updated on that. So when you go to this website, this is our home page. At first, you will have the list of events that we are having. So you will see there are different hackathons, and we have a big flagship event, AI Innovation Summit, which is now coming in the next 56 days. I saw some of the queries in the chat immediately when the video was played. Sir, is it beneficial if we attend the AI Innovation Summit? Or will it be beneficial if I come to the AI Summit to attend the summit? Absolutely yes. See, we had a global event a few months back in the month of April, the India AI Impact Summit. You had the best brain across the globe coming into that event. It was held in Bharat Mandapam. ICAI was also invited there. We also had a stall. I also got an opportunity to represent institute there at the AI summit. Now the same venue has been booked for this summit. The difference is this summit will be entirely focused on chartered accountant. And you will be having all the industry expert from one of the top giants who will be coming and addressing how it can create new opportunities for chartered accountant, how AI, how you can start implementing AI at your offices, how you can develop a work culture. You will have a wide variety of topic. You will understand it from the industry experts. And every year, AI Innovation Summit is a very flagship event for the committee. Let me tell you, last year we achieved a record. We had this summit in the month of July, a month which is considered one of the most hectic work month time for all the chartered accountant. Of course, thankfully, after we announced the AIS, luckily the dates also got extended, but still, before the extension itself, 2 months prior to the event date, the event was supposed to be held at around July 15th, 16th July. So around 15th, 16th May, the registrations were closed in a record time. The registrations were closed because all the chartered accountants, it was held in Pune, and all the chartered accountants were understanding the importance of attending this flagship event wherein you have the industry experts. Sir, दुनिया से बाहर निकलने का मौका मिलता है. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स को फ्रेटर्निटी के एक्सपर्ट से कुछ सीखने का मौका मिलता है कि हमारी कम्युनिटी में क्या होने वाला है. वी गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन आवर कम्युनिटी फ्रॉम द लीडर्स हु आर लीडिंग दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. So people come in bulk all over the places. We had people coming from even overseas countries to attend this particular event last year. And the only issue, I always say, and I also feel the pain when a member is contacting us, calling us and saying, sir, registration have closed. Can you do something for the registration? We missed out the registration. Can you arrange something for the registration? At that point in time, it feels very disappointing because they are waiting for the end moment that, okay, when the event comes, we will register. But let me tell you, this will not be the case with the AI in ICAI committee's AI Innovation Summit, which will be held at Bharat Mandapam. I am assuring you that. We will be closing the registration way before time, and we are already on the verge of closing. I think we are just a few seats before we close this registration. Right? So if you are planning, especially if you are from Delhi NCR region or nearby place, please do register. Otherwise, it feels really very disappointing when members call at a later point in time and they say, sir, please do something and register us. We are not able to do it. Why? Because seats are limited. The venue has a limited seat. We cannot accommodate more than that. So it's a humble request. If you are willing, if you are enthusiastic, if you want to know what is happening with the profession, do not give a second thought. Do come to this AI Innovation Summit. It's a flagship event. You will definitely get to network, connect with a lot of industry experts. There are a lot of influencers who are going to come. And yes, you will have a lot of learning in that event. Right? So here, when you come to our AI website, yes. So can you share the, sir? Okay, I will tell you. I will share the registration link and all these things will be shared in due time. First, let us complete the orientation. Right? So first you will be able to see about the events, right? Then we have the resources section. So these events will give you all the CP seminars, webinars that we are frequently hosting time and again. So you can come and join them. Then in the resources panel, we have the articles. You will have all the latest article. Say for example, Gamma 4. It was a game-changing tool launched by Google, 6th of April. So you have an article here. Come read it, update yourself. It's like a newsletter, a timely scheduler, a publishing thing wherein you will get all the latest update about the AI which is coming for the month. You will have it displayed. So come here, read these articles. You will have tons of videos wherein chartered accountants have showing cases wherein they have used AI and they have achieved automations in their offices with the help of AI. So you see a list of profiles, list of videos. You can come, see these cases, get inspiration, how the members are learning or how they are implementing AI in day-to-day life. It will motivate you to adopt this technology soon, and you will see plethora of videos are there for your learning purpose. Then this is a new thing which we had introduced, the use cases. Of course, the whatever videos are uploaded, you also have a use case, that is written documentation there. So videos and use case, read it together. Videos is the video file and use case is the written documentation with this. We have a prompt library competition going on, wherein after doing this AICA level 1 course, we encourage the chartered accountants, when you are using it in your firm and for whatever task you have used it, please share it with us, and whatever prompt gets the maximum appreciation from the community, we are acknowledging that member, right? So a lot of chartered accountants have shared a lot of creative ways in which they are using AI. Let me tell you, ma'am, sir, it's just a matter of time before you get outdated in case you are not using AI, right? So after you do the course, use AI in your offices. Whatever you have used, feel free to share it with others, because when you share it with others, when you take knowledge from others, you multiply your learnings many-fold. So this is a prompt library competition we are running here. There are a lot of members who are interested in becoming a faculty, associating themselves with the AI committee. So we have a faculty identification program. It's carried out once every 6 months. So next FIP is scheduled to be held on 9th and 10th of May. Of course, the last day to send the registration have been, have closed up. It ended on 24th of April. And now everything has been done. So for this FIP, the registration and everything is closed. But here you will get the details for next FIP whenever we are having. It happens once every 6 months. So around November, we will be having the next FIP for the year. So you will have the details here in the faculty development program. Feel free, if you are enthusiastic, you want to learn and you are already having a command over the subject, please feel free to connect with the AI committee as a faculty, and through the process, if you are selected, you will be onboarded as a faculty with the AI in ICAI committee. Next, the AI in ICAI committee, whenever there is a seminar, session, webinar, all the resources that are there will be shared here in this panel. And the AI in ICAI committee is also releasing publication books once every 2 months. There's a target, but of course in coming times we will be releasing one book every month, and all the books are relating to the AI specific knowledge, ethics in AI, privacy in AI, impact of AI in Indian economy, AI law and chartered accountants, AI prompt engineering, AI and the DPDP era. The DPDP law which I was talking about has a penalty of 250 crore, right? So all these, and they are kept at a, they are not meant for any profit business, it's just for a cost to cost. So all the publication you can get it here at the ICI publication section. Of course, tender is not meant for you or the practicing professional, it's something else. Or certificate course details you will be getting here, and CAGPT which you will be using, you will get the details about the CAGPT here. CAGPT is a flagship tool created by ICAI for all their members to empower all the members with the technology of the AI, right? So here you have to log in. So I'll just log in once. You have to enter the mobile number which is you have through which you have registered in the SSP portal. So you will be sent an OTP. So my OTP is there, and once I log in, you will see committee wise you have the GPT. So suppose I have some query relating to the non-corporate entity financial format which has come in. So I can come to this GPT and ask the query relating to this. I have to undergo a peer review process. I have some peer review queries. I can come here and ask this chat GPT queries relating to the peer review, right? I'm going to share the list of CAGPT also. Please, this is a tool, a flagship tool created by ICAI for its members. Yes, so please feel free to use this. Test it if you have got this activation or not. Please feel free to use this. I already told this video you will be provided after the orientation session. You will be provided with the video so that later on also you can check everything. you will be shared, the video will be shared in the group description of the WhatsApp group. Please make sure all of you are added to the WhatsApp group. When you register, you automatically get a mail. Please note, 100% case you will get a mail automatically from the AI committee wherein there will be a link to join the WhatsApp group. Please, 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 दो बार प्लीज चेक करिएगा अपने एंड पे. इफ यू हैव नॉट रिसीव द लिंक, प्लीज चेक इट अगेंस्ट, बिकॉज 90% of the time we are found that members are not checking it properly at their end and they are sending a mail to the committee that we have not received the link. ऐसा नहीं होता. It is not the case in 90% time. I humbly request you, please check it once again. The email which you have received immediately after the registration will have a link to join the WhatsApp group. Please join the WhatsApp group through that link. In case still you have not been able to, you are not added to the WhatsApp group, only then send mail to ai@ici.in. In that WhatsApp group, you will be in the group description. You have a group description inside the WhatsApp group. In that group description, all the link, manual, everything will be shared that we have used in the today's session. So you just log into the WhatsApp group, go to group description. So I am going to show you once. So suppose I have a batch here. Let us say, okay, I will show one batch. I will enable the privacy. Oh, for this, yeah. So you will see, I will show you one batch. So suppose this is batch 722. So I will just log in here and you will see inside the description section here, you will be having this added. So I will show you last month batch. Yeah, this April batch you will see. You will see here in this group description, can you all see that the template, course document, assistant, faculty feedback form, course feedback form, DLH assessment, registration link for AIS, everything, orientation recording, everything is shared inside the group description. This will be updated after we finish the recording of the AI, the course for the May batches. It will be updated in your group description. Please check out the group description. And suppose if any member has joined late, suppose the batch is scheduled to held on 11, 12, 13th of May and a member has joined on 10th of May, so he may not be able to see the earlier messages. So I will request, if you have any colleague who has joined lately or is asking some questions in the group, please guide him that in the group description you will have all the detail of the orientation, template form, everything, so that he is not he is able to access all these resources and he is not having any issue or trouble accessing the course, right? So this, now I am open for
प्रभाव सर, your voice.
audible.
Now you're audible.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my mic, the battery inside my microphone drained out. So yeah, I'm back, yes, I'm back, don't worry. So Rishi sir, can you take a note of the same, the Faridabad batch? One of the member was saying that the WhatsApp link is not accessible. Batch number was 736. Rishi sir, if you can take a note and if you can confirm kindly, yes. Okay, now if you have any other query, please feel free to ask in the chat box and then I will respond one by one. I will respond to the Q&A also. Sir, what is the venue of the Jodhpur course, as we have to book the hotel? Okay. All right. So, venue of the respective course, once you kindly message in the WhatsApp group itself, please message in the WhatsApp group itself, you will be shared the venue of the course, right? Kindly share the message in the WhatsApp group itself. Somebody will reply, the concerned branch person will reply with the complete detail. Yogesh sir is asking how good this course is for CA who are not in practice and are in business. Sir, this course is meant for everyone and it is 100% effective. If doesn't matter if you are an IRS officer, you are running a business, you are a practicing chartered accountant, or you are a CFO of firm. It has been designed exclusively for chartered accountants, keeping in mind the chartered accountant, and it is beneficial for every chartered accountant who is going to come to attend this course. Okay, At present, the group description is not being shown. Hemant sir, yes, absolutely. Why? Because currently today we are having the orientation. So after the orientation is over, there will be some time needed to process this video. Once we have this video, the manual, everything, then that will be put up in the description. So this happens after we finish the orientation, then everything will be compiled and put in that group description. Okay. Batch number 754, I am not able to join the group. Faridabad group, I believe it is the same Faridabad batch 754. No, 736 was Faridabad. 754 also. So anybody who is there from 754 can confirm whether you have joined the group or not. Sir, application to visit to get the free Gemini, My Geo app. My Geo app you have to go to and you have to log in using your Geo number. As soon as you log in into your Geo number, you will get a banner, get Gemini for free. Say, Kamakshi sir is saying, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do we need to submit the feedback from the link given in the WhatsApp group? Yes. Dimple ma'am, yes. You have to submit it in the feedback form in the group, in the link given in the WhatsApp group. Yes. Which 5 AI tools have to be logged in? Sir, I will quickly share my screen. Rishi sir, we are getting some requests to show the registration link also of the AIS. So some of the members want to register also. Rishi sir, can you show the same also once? Can, members, you can take the screenshot of this. Gurunath sir is asking 5 tools which are there: Chat GPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, and Gemini. Rishi sir, if you can hear me. Okay. So which 5 AI apps to be logged in? I have told you. Can you please repeat what needs to be done in the DLH Hub? Saurabh sir, in the DLH Hub, you need to basically log in and check whether your course is appearing there or not. Just need to log in and check whether the course is appearing or not. Sir, when will I receive the confirmation email? As soon as you do the registration. Venkatesh sir, is RPA included? Yes, absolutely. RPA is also included in this course. Rishi sir, some of the members are. Okay. Daily test, sir, Utkarsh sir, don't worry. 10 questions are there. 5 is the passing mark. It is very difficult to pass a normal CA exam. It is very difficult to fail this exam. If you have attended the session throughout, it is impossible to fail this exam because whatever we will be teaching in the session, you will get it in the test. Ayush sir, 751 batch Mumbai. I am not able to join the WhatsApp group. Already emailed. Sir, don't worry. If you have emailed, AI committee will take a look, note of the same, and they will reply. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. They will definitely reply. Kirtana ma'am is saying, as mentioned by you, are the free version not available for few other tools? Allow only 7-day trial. What do we do? No, actually, ma'am, these tools that I have mentioned, they are allowing basically daily limit, not like 7 days tool. So when you have multiple IDs, to a larger extent, we will be able to solve this problem. Is ICI thinking of getting discounted subscription tools for AI members? Pallavi ma'am, I will tell you, ICI is not thinking to get discounted models or discounted subscription, but ICI is having a vision of giving free tools, free top models to the AI members. How do you feel this proposal? You are asking about discounted subscription. ICI is thinking about free subscription. Yes, how do you feel about this vision of the AI committee? Amazing, great, 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 super. Yes. So we are in the pipeline. We have currently created ICAI AI agent. ICAI AI agent has been created by the AI committee. Right now we are giving the access to the level 2 members, but committee is having a vision to install the servers, download all these tools there and give it free of cost to all the members. Right, so it will take a time because it's a costly affair. So right now we are giving to all the level 2 members, but committee has the vision to give this free access forever to all the members. Right, as mentioned by you, free version are there. ICI thinking to give a discounted subscription. Yes, Anuj sir is saying, do we need to log in? No, only one email ID. Just for the first email ID, log in with Chat GPT, Claude, Grok, everything. Is it Grok or Grok AI? Grok AI, sir. Registered Bharat Mattamam AI course. Can you provide a nearby hotel stay option? Rishi sir, can you please confirm? I think there is some hotels. There are a lot of hotels there. Rishi sir, if you
Yeah,
know,
yeah. There are various options listed on the website.
should I
If
show
you
it, sir? Once, can you guide me? I will show it here in the
just a
screen.
moment, just a moment. I'll open the website.
Yes. So I'll just answer a few more questions in the meanwhile. Uh,
Yeah. Can I share the screen, sir, once,
yes,
or you
yes,
will
please,
share?
please. No, no, please, sir, you can share the screen.
Okay. On the AIS website,
Sir, we are not
uh,
able to see the
yeah.
screen. Yeah, now we are seeing.
So I'll share the link of the website on the chat box. It's ai.ico.org/AIS2026. So when you go to the website, there's a tab called Venue. And in that Venue tab, there's an accommodation link. In that accommodation link, there are the various hotels which are nearby Bharat Mandapam. So the members who are registering can take benefit of these hotels and book their accommodation accordingly.
So
There are
we have
list
the
of
concerned person number, email, and phone number also. So yes, please book the hotel also well in advance. Manoj sir, since you asked this question, Manoj sir, please book the hotel also in advance because at the time we have seen that if before a big event, the hotel prices tend to increase because there will be around 3,000 members who will be coming to coming to attend this session. So at that point in time, you may see because if all of the members do it at that point in time, there will be a sudden surge in prices. So please make sure that you do the hotel accommodation also beforehand, right? Yes.
and
Rishi sir, Manoj sir, I hope I'm able to answer. Okay. Rishi sir, couple of members also asked for the link of registration of AIS also. So they want to do it. Kindly show it for 1 minute so
I'll
that they
show it.
can.
I'll show it. I'll show it.
Huh.
It's the same link.
Please show once when you check the question relating to today's session online, you showed it. Acha, okay. Ma'am,
This
it
is
is there in the. Yeah, so, sorry.
uh,
Yes, Rishi sir.
on the AIS website. There's a link. I'll share the link also. The registration link is in the top right corner here. Here you have to select for members, enter your mobile number. The OTP will come on your registration, on your registered email ID, SSP registered mobile number. Sorry, registered mobile number. And there's a group discount as well. 5% for groups of 5 or more, and 10% off for groups of 10 or more.
Okay.
If any issue, you can email us at ai@ica.in or WhatsApp us on this number.
Yes. And before doing that, please do inquire about last year also. Please do inquire from any colleague who had visited last year AIS in Pune, whether or not we did close the registration 2 months before the event or not, so that you will
Yes,
get an idea that we are not bluffing or something like that. And
I'll tell
genuinely
you.
it
I'll tell you,
happened.
sir. If you allow me, I'll tell you.
Sure.
The event was on 18th and 19th of July last year in Pune, and we closed the registration in May last week.
Great. And sir, why we are telling this, as a Rishi sir, why I'm also focusing here, because it feels very painful when, members are asking for registration, sir, we want to come to this event because you see, we are having a lot of influencers and everyone coming. And then at the last moment, we are not able to register because, this. And then last time, of course, this thing which we were not able to do, I think we were not able to communicate this beforehand, that if you go to the last moment, there will be a lot of chaos. So this time we have communicated it well in advance that if you go in the last moment, definitely there will be a chaos. So we have
And
learned from the last experience, last year's. Yes.
I have given the registration link in the chat box for the benefit of everyone. And one more news. We have confirmed that Shri S. Krishnan ji, the secretary of MITI, has confirmed to be the speaker. He is amongst the lineup of great international and national speakers who will be coming to the AIS. We are also in talks with other speakers as well, various ministry speakers, government speakers, national, international speakers.
And
And we,
sorry,
yes,
yes, sir,
we have a
yes.
great lineup of exhibition sponsors. We have the AI Hackathon Grand Finale, Season 5, and the AI Innovation Challenge. These things and various other informative sessions spread across the 2 days. Thank
Great.
you. Prabhas sir, over to you.
Yes, and why we tell this? I'll just add to this. Krishnan sir is one of the person. If you see in the Bharat the AI Impact Summit, he was the person who was briefing our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. So he's leading the entire AI industry from the government. So he is the person responsible, the officer responsible for leading this. He was briefing our honorable Prime Minister also in the AI Impact Summit. He will be there addressing the session. He will be keeping the government's perspective, what government is doing. And yes, we will of course customize this and tailor made it specifically for chartered accountants as well, right? So ma'am, this is on the AICA website only. When you go to that website, click on the AICA level 1 batch. Over there only you have AICA GPT assistant. Rajneet sir is saying my batch is in Pimpri Chinchwad, 14 to 16 May. When we can get the WhatsApp group? I think Rishi sir, WhatsApp group has already been created for the May batches, right?
So there's some WhatsApp group has all been created. There was some issue at WhatsApp's end this time, Meta's end, and we are trying to rectify the solution. It has been rectified, and those who have not been able to join the groups, they can mail us at ai@ic.in. It was a technical error at Meta's end this time.
Okay, so there is some issue from Meta's end. All right. Anirudh sir is saying I have not received the mail. My batch is in 30, 31 and 1 June. Anirudh sir, please check it once from your end. If still you are not finding a mail, then mail to ai@ici.in. Can a non-CA join the training? Unfortunately, Arpan sir, Rishi sir, can a non-CA join the training? I think
Not yet, sir. The
not
course
yet, not yet.
is, yeah.
Yes, so not yet, unfortunately. Yes, because we have been receiving some requests, but yes, currently we are not able to cater the request of the members. So I think the institute has first decided that first we will serve the members and then we'll perhaps allow the non-CAs to join as well. So the CAGPT is linked to ChatGPT. It does not have, no, still CAGPT, the institute is bearing the cost for you. So even if you do not have a ChatGPT subscription, of course, you will have a daily limit in terms of the token, but still you will be able to use it. Arpan sir, food arrangement, yes, it is done by ICAI. You will have breakfast, lunch, and snacks inside this 3 days. Sir, is there any specific format for DLH portal password we have to sign up? Sir, DLH portal password, there is, I think, no specific format as such, but if it is there, it will prompt you at that website only. Sir, what kind of AI tool we require to install? Nothing. Vivek sir, nothing. Just need to log into 5 tools which I told you. Nothing you need to install, nothing in your office system, just web-based login you need to do. So Rakesh sir is saying I'm already in the group. All right, batch 751. How much time is left? I think we are just answering the question. It was all done from my end. What if you do not have a geo connection? You can arrange it from any of your family members or friends. Hello sir, I am batch 753 Ahmedabad but did not get any mail. Malik sir, please share it, check it once again. And if not, mail to ai@ici.in. WhatsApp group, I think this has already been answered. Geo number, there is going to be any other important discussion. Which tool will be used? I have already answered. Do we need to this? Nothing preparation required. Arrangement of food. What is the timing of break? Timing of break will be communicated by the respective faculty and the management there. It will be different for different branches depending upon the preferences. Like if Kolkata, if you are having a batch, I think Kolkata we have a different timing as compared to what we have a timing in Delhi. So there are some timing depending upon the branch preferences and members preferences as well. ICAI should give at least 24 hours as we are giving almost entire 3 days. ICAI should give at least 24 CP hours at least. At almost we are giving entire 3 days. It's a request. Okay, definitely, sir. We will take it down. Hope you are sharing the PPT and recording of this call. Lokesh sir, I have answered this. Received. Thank you. Manoj sir is here from Bhubaneswar. How many participants will be there in a group? Yes, Manoj sir, there is usually 4 participants in a group. It may vary from 3 to 5, but usually 4 participants are there. From the very first day when you go to the branch, you will have an attendance list. In that attendance list, at the end, you will be having a group mark. So there is no requirement of faculty to do it. So automatically the sheet will be coming with the groups marked in. No, there is no one faculty for all 3 days. You will have 3 different faculty for 3 different days. Okay, Gemini paid subscription is giving other access. Only Gemini only will recording. I've told you recording. Any other arrangement is food. I told you about the fooding arrangement also. Just sign in with the Google ID. Yes, should I have subscribed for ACI level 1, but the course is not showing in the DLH portal. Jasil sir, I told you whenever is your batch starting date, 48 hours before that time, check once again. If not, mail to ai@ici.in. I missed the half hour. Orientation video will be available. WhatsApp link I told you. Please mail at the ai@ici.in. Should we create 3 email ID? 3 email IDs to be created. Just in a second, Geo said you are a Google AI Pro member. Very good, sir. Your subscription is activated. All everything super. I have subscribed for this. I have told you if I did not attend. Sir, automatically refund will be there. And you have to re-register for the next batch. If you do not attend the batch, automatically refund will be granted in your source account. You have to re-register for the batch. How do we get AI tool from AICAI? Sir, it will be automatically given to you. Don't worry. Is there any such AI course for non-CA? Unfortunately, Mahima ma'am, currently let me tell you the kind of standards that ICAI has set with this course. There is no other course available in the market for non-CA of similar repute. Let me tell you this with utmost confidence. Do you have any AI installed on the laptop? No need to install any AI on the laptop. Gemini Pro subscription, very good. Perplexity Pro, very good. When will be the next batch at Gurugram? Sir, whenever it comes, it will be notified in the AICA WhatsApp, that is the website. Kindly clarify what if we do not have a Geo phone? You can arrange it from someone. If not, we will do it from the free version only. AIS WhatsApp. Uh, Sir, I'm not able to understand. Palak ma'am, can you clarify what is AIS WhatsApp mean? I have joined AI level 1, so event is Bharat Mandapam. Yeah, AI level 1 is different from the Bharat Mandapam. It's like an annual conference we have for AI. AI is like an annual conference we have on AI, when all the industry experts from different perspective, different fields are going to come in, and they are going to share the knowledge about the AI. On the AICA level course, it's all about teaching chartered accountants how to use AI basically. Login done. This shared registration. I have a small query. When I click here. Sir, if you are having any issue in the WhatsApp group, please mail to ai@ici.in. As already clarified by Rishi sir, there is some problem from Meta end. No, nothing needs to be done, Nandini ma'am. Once you have logged in into the DLH portal, nothing needs to be done. Yes, event at Bharat Mandapam is different. Is any accounting tool required to be installed? Nothing. Any specific format? Nothing. Sir, this is level 1. What is the next level? Sir, level 2 is already running after this level 2, and committee is having a vision to launch level 3 very soon. I recently joined level 1 batch. Can you guide me whether attending the Bharat Mandapam? Absolutely, Shubham sir. It will be very beneficial because here we are talking about how we should be ready in terms of future. See, in AICA current batch, we are always talking about how you can use AI. But in this AI summit, we'll be teaching you how you should prepare your firm for AI, how you should be future ready with AI, what implication it will be there, what dynamics it is going to change in terms of our job. So these are the topics which will be discussed by the industry expert at this meeting. I have recently joined the AICA L1 batch. I have told you, yes, you should definitely attend it. If you are especially from Delhi NCR region, without a second thought, you should come attending the session, attend this session. Is it not prompting member password is invalid? Will the training be held at BKC office? Veg Jain meal will be available. Sir, vegetarian meal is available. Jain, I think selected items are available at BKC venue. I recently joined beginner level. Could you suggest me? I told you this. Is there any pre-test? Nothing pre-test. Only on the day of the session you have to give. Apart from checking the badge, what needs to be done? I have told you all these. I think now we have repetitive questions. Signing off. I am running a textile business. How is this going to help me? Vatsal sir, how is this course going to help you? This is something which, see, what in this course what we are going to tell you, we are going to tell you how you can apply this course in diverse field. What are the different features you get inside a chat gpt model. Our job is to explain you the features that okay, chat gpt offers you 11 different features, and how so we'll give you an idea, and then you have to apply that. Okay, this feature I can do this automation using this feature, I can do this kind of an automation using feature number 4, right? So I will tell you, a chartered accountant who was into a working capital loan, I discussed with him a few days back. So he created an application using one of the concept we do on day 2. So we taught how this application is to be made. He made it, and he then knew that okay, I will use this in this domain, so that you will be able to tell better when you once you understand the different features. Nothing left, just we are answering the question. So I think thank you very much. This is all from my end. If you still have any queries, I am open to question. Should we buy any reading material? Nothing related. Whether the 5 tool allows free subscription? Absolutely, free subscription is there for all the 5 tools that we have shown. Yes. Any other question? If you have, you can paste it in the chat. AI Summit WhatsApp link. AI Summit WhatsApp link. Rishi sir, are we having any WhatsApp link also? Acha, that will be shared in the group description. That will be shared in the group description. Any material to be downloaded? Nothing. How can I learn about the AI tool? We will be teaching you about the course, and later on you can refer the website. I have already covered this. If you are unable to join, how cancellation is going to happen? Vanshika ma'am, I have clarified it. You need not do anything. Automatically refund will be granted. If you are not able to join, automatic refund will be granted. Can you explain in detail about the group discussion? That you will be covered, ma'am. In detail, the group project will be covered by the faculty who will come on day one. So he will be able to physically explain you better. Before starting the course, we keep a few moments to discuss about the group project on day one. Nothing, no preparation required from participants. Then, yes, you have to carry laptop, charger, that's it. What level of Excel is required? No knowledge, zero knowledge will also do. Will we give any hard copy? No hard copy will be provided. Group project, how many people will be formed? 4. Can you repeat the AI tool which are required to be logged in? So, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and Chat GPT. Do we have any WhatsApp group for AI related queries? Shubham sir, yes, you will be added to that. If not, please mail to ai@ICAI.in. Group presentation on the last date will be briefed by the faculty on day one. Don't worry, Mayur sir. What will level 2 focus on? Agentic AI and AI agents. Can you explain in detail group discussion? I told you it will be discussed in detail by day one faculty. Now, no stationery required. PowerPoint presentation will be available for 50. PowerPoint for all laptop. Power plug will be available. Will we receive the complete certification? When we will receive the, after you finish your test, assignment and project, it will take around 1.5 month to get this. Sir, only login based on web application. Is there is a possibility of AICA level 1 online? No, Mahendra sir. Currently, there is no possibility or no chances currently of conducting this online. I don't have much experience in practical exposure as CA. Can this course ease for me? Yes, absolutely. As I told you, we will discuss about features. And we are going to give you 1 or 2 ideas about how you can use these features. And rest, we have seen chartered accountants are very, very competent. How you will use it in your day-to-day life, you will be able to determine, Manshika ma'am. When will we receive the course fee tax invoice? Immediately after you register. What will the network connection? I already covered. Yes, internet will be provided. What kind of PPT knowledge is required? Nothing. Is it required a geo connection? No. I was working as I told you, this, what was the other one? Claude Grok. When will the result of this be declared? Immediately after you do the test. Tally necessary, no necessary. Please share the sample question bank for the test. There is no question bank. Whatever we teach in the session will be coming as questions. Which Excel tools are you going to cover up in level 1? The faculty will tell you on the respective day what are the Excel tools that we are going to cover. No installation will be required as such. New envelopes developed by the person as mentioned by you. After the batch is complete, can we have a session for discussion? Of course you can. We can. We have got only text received, text invoice not received. You will receive it, don't worry. Mac or Windows, which one is good to buy for AI work for future? Windows is always recommended. We have to get the laptop. Neha ma'am, yes, this is the first point that I covered. Yes, you have to get the laptop with a minimum system configuration, which was already covered. Yes. Right, I believe I have answered all the question. AMD processor will work. Yes. Will this course create how to help create financial models? Yes, sir. You will be able to create it on your own. Don't worry. Yes. Any other question if you have, you can ask, or otherwise we will end the chapter session. Do we need to buy Microsoft 365? It is always recommended to have a paid version of Microsoft 365. Any notes will be provided in the DLH portal. Notes will be provided in the DLH portal. Tax invoice will be received after, let's say, if you have not received till now and it's been a week, you can mail to ai@icai.in. Any plan to add AI in curriculum for CA students? I think that this part of this aspect of this, whether to add it for the student, that is looked after by the board of studies, not the AI in ICA committee. So I think we can put forward this recommendation. I believe there is some plan to include AI in their curriculum by 2027. With Claude Cover will be covered. Claude Cover is covered in level 2. It's a AI agent, agentic AI tool. No need to bring the printout. Everything was explained with clarity. अरे क्या बात है. Thank you so much, sir. Jimit sir, thank you so much. CPA hours 18. AICA level 1 will be reflected. Yes. Deepak sir, I met a Big Four professional in Mumbai last month when I was taking a batch there. He said, now when we are hiring chartered accountants, we are checking whether in his resume he has done AICA level 1 or level 2 or not. We are taking this as a consideration whether he is AI enabled or not. So definitely is going to add value to your course. Is graphic card needed? No need. I've created 3 mails. Very good. Just any one of the mail you can log into. There are many videos on AI. What are they for? Sir, they are cases which AI, the chartered accountants have shown how they have used AI in their day-to-day work. So you can go ahead, there is the description given. So if you feel that, okay, I can use this or I'm interested to learn more on this topic, you can view that as well. Tally download, I have already answered, no need to download Tally. If required during the session, the faculty will give you time to download. It's not a part of the main curriculum. If extra sessions, sometimes members request faculty do some concepts of Tally, then the faculty will give you time to download also. All right, I believe everything is answered in the Q&A. Noted, sir. Mr. Agalwala, great patience and clarity. Are kya baat hai? Hemant sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much, means a lot. Any basic AI knowledge? Nothing. Not required. No knowledge required. Just come with your laptop, sir. Whatever knowledge is required will be provided by the faculty to you. Vaidevi ma'am, thank you so much. Nandini ma'am, thank you so much. Training for 4 day, 4 to 6 May is book KC. Yes, BKC. Sagar sir, thank you sir. What all will be needed to nothing for as a preload? Please add it into the WhatsApp group. Sir, not added, then mail AI@ICAI.in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Will be also, sir, explain as a faculty. Thank you so much. Well, Claude cowork, sir, I told you it is covered in level 2. Absolute clarity. Thank you so much. Uh, Sir, will you be also a faculty? Yes, I will be a faculty at some of the batches, of course. Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you all. All right. So I believe I have answered all the questions. Rishi sir, over to you. You may conclude now. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir, Prabhav sir.
Yeah. So I
Thank
think
you so
everything
much
yeah.
for the kind help in
Thank you.
hosting this and organizing this orientation program. We hope that the members had a great benefit first from the leadership guidance from CA Charanjot Singh Nanda sir and CA Umesh Sharma sir. We thank them. We also thank our Honorable President sir, CA Prasanna Kumar D and CA Vice President sir, CA Mangesh Kinare ji, who along with the Chairman and Vice Chairman are instrumental in guiding us in getting this AI initiatives for the benefit of all our members. Don't forget that the AI registration link I've shared in the WhatsApp group, in the chat box. Register now. The early bird is closing on the 2nd of May and the seats are filling fast. Also, for any queries related to any batch query or thing, you can go to the respective page. One more thing I'd like to share before we close. I'll share, if you go to the AI website, just a moment. I think Prabhav sir has already shared it.
Which one part, sir?
This one, I'll just share. The guidelines document for the AICA Level 1 is here in this blue tab. So I request every member to read this guidelines document. It's the version 14 of this document. We have been able to come out with the version 14 with the help of our faculties only. Prabhav sir helped in that and other faculties, Bhavin sir. So this should be read by all the participants before coming to the batch. And in fact, it will solve all your queries. In fact, Prabhav sir may have solved all your queries, but still, if you want to revisit it again, you can read this document and it will help to resolve all your queries. It's on the AI course certification page. So just this I wanted to share. And any query, you may please mail us at ai@icai.in. We will surely help you. And that's about it. So we come to a close. Don't forget to come tomorrow for the ICAI AI Hackathon Season 5, Episode 3, where we have 11 and 12 contestants who will be participating in this Episode 3. The grand finale of this hackathon will be at the AI Summit at Bharat Mandapam on 26th of June. We also have the AI Level 1 refresher. You all will be eligible for the refresher from the month of June 2026. So this, we have it on Saturday. So thank you so much. And have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tech support, we can close.